Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. And today we just got back from a test drive in a 1972 C-10 custom pickup. This one has a believed to be 350 up under the hood. We'll be popping the hood halfway through the video. I'm gonna be walking around pointing out any kind of flaws. That way you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. This is a very odd truck. It's customized. Does have a lot of paint popping out everywhere on the back where they did customize it. Now I about ripped that one off. But yeah, it's gonna need repairs on all of this. You can see down the side where they put this cab on. That's mainly where all the issues are. It's just where this extra cab has been added. It's probably been done 10 years or so, and that's the reason it's starting to come back out. But what we're gonna do is walk around, point out any kind of flaws. I want you to know everything about it. You can check out maplemotors.com for financing information. You can also get these cars shipped anywhere in the country. Starting up here in the front, you can see the front bumper's in good condition. It's not all beat up. Same with the grille and the headlight bezels and all the trim on the front end. Somebody hand painted the flames on here. You can feel the lines, they're not clear coated on. There's little chips and scratches on the hood. Same with right here, some chips, some scratches. They touched it up with the wrong color paint. Little spot on the pillar here. Should come up, same here. It's like a crack on the top there where they added to the cab. I haven't noticed any leaking on this one. There's a dent at the bottom of the door here. Front disc brakes, aftermarket wheels and tires. Nice tires all the way around. Crack here. That's the biggest issue on this one. I'm gonna open this door so we can see up top. Get up in here, get on top of this thing. Does have some chips in the paint, some bubbles popping up. That's the biggest issue with adding stuff like this. It does eventually start popping back out if it wasn't made by factory. See where these steps down here? Oddball Customs. Same with all this right here as well. She'll need some love to bring her back to life. Dual exhaust out the back, looks like LED tail lights. We'll be opening this back door here in a moment. And yeah, it is metal. Yeah. Little bubbles popping up there, cracks along the roof. There's a gap down here at the bottom of the door and a bubble sitting there right beside it. Lots of little chips. Some pitting popping up on the mirror there. Same thing's going on with this pillar, a bunch of chips. ahead and open the hood here. I may have to flip the camera because I didn't start with the hood up. Give me just a moment. Y'all ready? There we go. I actually used the camera to do it. Hopefully I didn't shake you too much. Cassette, I believe to be 350 up under the hood. We're getting ready to start up. And it's nice and clean under here. This motor felt pretty strong going down the road. It's a good driving truck. It does have a lot of places cosmetically that are popping out on the body. But that's one thing that this truck's got going for it. It does run and drive great. Door panel looks pretty good. The fabric at the bottom's kind of hanging a little bit. Look at the bottom of the door. It's got the rubber mat in here, which I like. I'd prefer that. Weather stripping around the door looks good. Fairly new. The dash is clean. Go ahead, place your bets. You think the horn works on this one? Gas tank is right behind the seat here. They didn't put the back two bolts of the bench seat in. I guess they can lift it up. It's all custom inside here. Got the lights on the wall, the Joker in the back. Pretty cool. Go ahead, place your bets on the horn. Do you think it works? Let's try it out. It does. It doesn't sound the greatest though. We'll go ahead and start this one up. Seems to start up nice and easy. Oil pressure does come up on the dash. It is showing 90,000 miles. The temperature gauge, it does work. It's low right now. The radio in here, it should jam. Got all these extra speakers behind my head. Trying it out here, I don't know. I had it on earlier. I can hear it. Did I do something wrong? I hear it, it's just super quiet. I don't know what's up with that. But you got all kinds of speakers up in here. Probably upgrade your radio anyways. That's a tape player. Got an exhaust leak up under the hood here on the left side of the motor. Just a gasket. And that sounds pretty good. Go ahead and shut the hood down. It comes down nice and easy. I want to go ahead and give you some undercarriage shots. We're going to start up here in the front, go around to the driver's side, the rear, and the passenger side. Also have close to 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com, so definitely check that out. We'll get up under the front here. right, guys, I'm gonna try to pop this back door open real quick. Should open right here. There's a button under the dash. May have to have two guys to do it. I noticed you can push it and it'll click. Hear it clicking back there? But it needs more of a spring. Right here, it needs more of a spring so that it'll come unlatched. So, let me try it one more time. If not, I'll have to kill the camera and get somebody to help me pop it. All right, let me get somebody to help me. All right, got me some help on this door. Just push this button and he'll open it up back here for me. Good deal. Hey, I appreciate that, Bobby. That's pretty cool. It's like they put bath mats in here. They actually match. It's like a perfect purple. All right. Now we'll go ahead and shut this door back. It's huge. It locks good. Guys, if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I post oddball stuff every once in a while. We got plenty of classic American muscle cars up here of all different types. And you can check all of them out at maplemotors.com. That's where we got financing, shipping, and all the detailed pictures. I'm gonna be getting on to some other cars today, checking them out and keeping y'all informed. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.